Hey out there, YouTube, how we doing today? Well, this one, I gotta tell you, this company is popping up everywhere in the bearding community. I can't go one single day without getting on YouTube, without seeing a card, a link, or whatever, to, Gladiator Beard Company, the icon scent. So I figured, why not? Let's bring it to the channel. Is it as good as the hype? Stay tuned after the intro, and we're gonna find out. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now for you first time viewers and you long time guys who have been watching me for a while and haven't done it yet, look down below. Somewhere there's going to be a little channel watermark popping up, okay? Hover over that thing, it's going to pull up subscribe. Go ahead and knock that out the way right in the beginning of the video so you don't got to worry about it later. Alright, now as I was saying, you got to automatically go, okay, you're marketing a beard oil with a company called Gladiator Beard Company. That instantly hooked me. Biggest thing that hooked me was when I started doing homework on it, right off the top, 5% of every profit they make for the year. Like, see, we got the cuteness factor back again. Want to say hi?
Yeah. Hi.
Can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, go pop your bubbles. Gotta get her in there every so often, guys. She's been dying to get in a video for a while. So like I was saying, 5% of all annual profits are donated right to veteran charities, veteran companies. They support vets. So instantly I went, hell yeah. And as I said in the opening, I'm seeing this thing everywhere. So, okay, let's bring it to the channel. I gotta tell you, honestly, it's very reasonably priced for a 2-ounce bottle. It's sitting right at 20 bucks, $19.35 on Gladiator Beard Company. And over on Amazon, it ran $18.38, I believe it was, with free shipping, I think, going on. What I liked is the back of the package. Okay? I know you probably couldn't see that too quick, but it says, Maximus handcrafts your beard oil the ancient way, stirring each small batch with his sword by torchlight. That had me dying with laughter. I'm like, come on. You're seeing Spartacus just, sure. The other thing that jumped out to me, to be honest, there's 9 carrier oils in here. Seriously. I think that's kind of cool. Now, I'm going to switch things up a little bit today. I love the fact that they are based out of Colorado, all right, and they try to use locally sourced ingredients. So I'm a big proponent of that, keeping it local, keeping it hometown, supporting, things in your area. That's freaking awesome. By the way, there's the bottle. Now, from my understanding, they have an in-house art designer that basically designs everything there, and they want each one of, like, their oils and their balms to have kind of like a different design on there. I'm not a beard balm guy, but normally when you get a balm in, it's like a sticker over the top. Nah, this thing is, like, stamped into the machine and they have it like painted right on the top. I've seen the balms. They look amazing. For the tin. Just absolutely amazing. Now, like I said, they are out of Colorado, so obviously they're made in the USA. Now, I love their mission statement. It's to help, protect, rule, and grow your beard. Freaking awesome. That's just funny. Now, let's get on to the really, really long list. Okay, so excuse me, I have notes down here. It's got virgin argan oil, pure jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, pumpkin seed oil, hemp seed oil. So sorry, Will, I think that's going to knock you out of this one. Grapeseed oil, frankincense, myrrh, bergamot, cocoa, peppermint, lavender, vanilla, patchouli, and orange. That's a lot of crap put in here, right? Now, I know you sit and go, all right, so what's it smell like? The only way I can put it, it's like, here, you want to smell?
Yeah.
Okay, come here. How's it smell? Good?
Yep.
All right. It's just that manly smell to it. It's like, when you've been working hard all day, but not that sweaty stench kind of thing, you know? You've been working out at the gym, that confidence that you just exude. That's kind of what it reminds me of. It's just that pheromone, I am a guy, you know? I've worn it today. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing it. It's not overpowering at all. It's got a nice, pleasant scent to it. You know, it's got, the oil's like a medium, yeah, it's about a medium consistency, I'd say. Which is kind of surprising with all the carrier oils in there, right? Now, I hope you can see that. It's got a bit of a darker color to it. And that's simply because of the pumpkin seed oil. For some reason, that any oil I've ever had with pumpkin seed oil.
I'll tell you how many shows you can watch on your shows.
Okay, can I finish filming this?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Okay.
Okay, jerk.
I mean, love you.
Oh, well, that's better. Any oil I've ever had with pumpkin seed oil in there seems to be more of a darker, earthy tone.
Okay.
I gotta tell you guys, I can honestly see why everyone's raving about it.
You can watch 7 on your shows.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna finish this though, alright?
Right.
Alright.
But actually 4.
Okay. So, like I said, I can see why it lives up to the hype. I'm kind of impressed with it, and I think they're making a pretty good splash in a big, big pond.
The bombs are the last ones.
Okay.
And then after you're done with your bomb last 2 shows, you're gonna have to watch Vital Lock.
Okay, well, I'm gonna finish this, because I think they want me to wrap it up, alright? It's supposed to be about beard oil, not about your TV, silly. Yes, guys, that's my wonderful daughter.
So you like with a squirrel?
I know, look at that, huh?
Yeah. I get squirrels on me.
Okay, so seeing how it is really, really brand new, it doesn't have any reviews over on gladiatorbeard.com, and it's only got 5 reviews on Amazon, and it's rated 5 out of 5 stars. I gotta tell you, I give it a 5. I like it. It's definitely interesting, and it's not like something I've worn before, where you can sit and go, okay, well, this company did this, or this company did that. No, it's an interesting smell. I mean, like I said, there's a closer up on the bottle. I know it's kind of dark and whatnot, but there you are. Now, here's the important part, all right? I know this video is a little bit different today, simply because of, well, the cuteness factor. But I want to know what you think. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, everything down below. Especially if you have actually tried. Great! Especially if you have tried this beard oil. I'd like to know what you think and what your opinion of it is. Like I said, I'm kind of impressed with it. Something brand new that I think is going to live up to the hype, and I hope these guys are around for a while. Because I'd like to see what else they come out with, other than just one oil and one bomb. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel and you long-time guys who haven't done it yet, look down below. There's going to be a bigger channel symbol popping up down there. Go ahead and click on that, and that's going to bring you right to subscribe. Dork. After you go ahead and click on subscribe, please go ahead and click on the bell icon. Why? Good question. It's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that I upload a video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up either on that side of the screen or that side of the screen. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick look at, the Gladiator Beard Company icon scent. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Hey, you want to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
Yeah, look at the screen. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you.